Every year, from June to November, we brace for hurricane season, watching the Atlantic, hoping for the best, but preparing for the worst. The 2024 season, though, was unlike any other, relentless, devastating, and unforgettable. 18 named storms, 11 hurricanes, and 5 major hurricanes, well above average, and each one a threat. The cost? A staggering $124 billion in damages, with 5 storms each causing over $1 billion. This wasn't just about numbers, it was about lives upended and communities forever changed. The season started strong, went eerily quiet midsummer, then exploded with activity after September's peak. 12 named storms formed late, keeping everyone on edge until the very end. 2024 proved that with hurricanes, you must always expect the unexpected. The season's warning shot was Hurricane Beryl, becoming the earliest Category 5 hurricane ever recorded before July 4th. Beryl's rapid intensification was a wake-up call, but after it, the tropics went strangely quiet during the usual peak. This lull was deceptive. Warm waters and a developing La Niña meant danger still lurked. In late September, the quiet ended. Storms began forming in rapid succession, each more intense than the last. The late-season surge was unprecedented, forcing forecasters and emergency managers into overdrive. The most destructive storms, Helene and Milton, emerged during this chaotic finale. They brought catastrophic flooding, record storm surge, and devastating winds to the southeast. Their impact would test communities and redefine what it means to be prepared. Hurricane Helene became the defining storm of 2024, a monster predicted to be major before it even formed. On September 26th, Helene slammed Florida's Gulf Coast as a Category 4, unleashing deadly winds and a massive storm surge. The toll, at least 250 lives lost, nearly $79 billion in damages, the deadliest U.S. hurricane since Katrina. Helene's reach was vast, causing catastrophic flooding across the southern Appalachians and record river crests. Even Sarasota County, over 100 miles from landfall, suffered a 6-foot surge and over $1 billion in damages. The lesson: hurricane impacts stretch far beyond the forecast cone, and no one is truly out of harm's way. Advance warnings and emergency response saved lives, but recovery would be long and difficult. Helene's story is one of tragedy, resilience, and the critical importance of heeding every warning. As Helene's aftermath lingered, Hurricane Milton exploded onto the scene, intensifying by 90 miles per hour in just 24 hours. Milton struck near Siesta Key as a Category 3, less than 2 weeks after Helene, compounding the devastation. Sarasota County faced a second blow, a 10-foot surge, widespread flooding, and a record 46 tornadoes. The 1-2 punch led to historic evacuations and over $1.7 billion in local damages. More than 17,000 homes and 6,000 businesses were damaged, reshaping the community. NOAA's hurricane hunters flew nonstop, gathering data that made 2024's forecasts the most accurate yet. Rapid intensification remains a challenge, but technology and expertise are saving lives. The season's relentless pace tested everyone, from scientists to families on the ground. The brutal 2024 season left scars, but also sparked change. Sarasota County overhauled emergency plans, making 62 improvements, from faster debris removal to expanded sandbag distribution. New preparedness guides, available in multiple languages, and a modern evacuation center at Sky Ranch School are now in place. These practical steps help reduce chaos and protect families when storms threaten. The focus now is on proactive preparation and building a culture of resilience. 2024 showed we can't stop hurricanes, but we can be ready, together. It's a story of scientific progress, community spirit, and hard-earned wisdom. As we look to the future, we're stronger, smarter, and more prepared than ever.